Hi, it's Mike from Stûv America, and today we're going to go over how to connect an outside combustion air intake on a Stûv 21 fireplace. So let's get at it. The Stûv 21 family of fireplaces can generate wonderful flames, and to do that they need wood, of course, and a generous amount of air. And the best way to provide that air is through an outside air connection. And by using outside air, you can also prevent creating negative pressure in the home, especially if there's an active air extraction system like a kitchen hood or dryer in a nearby room. This is especially true in today's more airtight homes. There are options to provide outside air to the fireplace, but the first thing you need to do is to run an insulated conduit from a nearby exterior wall to where you're going to install the fireplace. Typically, a 4-inch conduit is sufficient as long as the conduit doesn't exceed 20 feet in length and with no more than 2 elbows or bends in it. If it's going to be longer than that or with multiple elbows, you'll want to consider sizing up. In colder climate areas, shaping a loop in the conduit run or installing a gooseneck at the outside wall will help reduce cold air circulation inside the system when the fireplace is not in use and prevent possible condensation due to temperature differences. Now that you've run the conduit to the fireplace, you'll need to hook it up with the use of an airtight box. Airtight boxes are accessories that you can order separately and allow for a direct and airtight connection to the fireplace. They simply attach with screws to the underside of the firebox below the fireplace opening, or in the case of a double face or see-through model, 2 airtight boxes and 1 under each opening. You'll need to keep in mind that a minimum fireplace height of 12 inches from the floor to the hearth opening is required to accommodate the airtight boxes. A Stûv 21 stand that you can order with the unit is an easy and quick way to get the right height, otherwise it can be a bit tricky. To connect the air conduit to the airtight box, there are 4 options to choose from, as you can see here. Simply knock out the plate for the one you wish to use and hook up the air conduit. The knockouts are 4 inches in diameter, so you'll need to reduce your conduit if it's bigger than 4 inches. In the case of the double face models, simply connect the air conduit to one airtight box and then run another conduit to the second box. These airtight boxes ensure a positive connection and allow exterior air to flow directly into the fireplace. One last thing you might want to consider is ordering an air damper for the conduit. These air dampers come in 4 or 6-inch versions and prevent cold air from entering the fireplace when the fireplace is not in use. Just keep in mind that the actuating cable is 48 inches long, so you'll want to place the damper in the conduit relatively close to the fireplace. So to recap, an external combustion air conduit is a great way to get combustion air to the fireplace without drawing air from inside the home and creating negative pressure. Airtight boxes can be ordered with the unit to ensure a positive connection, and the use of a damper can prevent cold air from entering the home when the fireplace is not in use. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.